Hey guys, this is Barry with FaO&x Outdoors, and we're about to dive into something a little bit different, but still in the wheelhouse of premium gear and outdoor backyard adventures. This thing makes crystal balls. Clear crystal balls. This is an ice maker, so hey, this will elevate and upgrade your whiskey night and having some fun in your backyard with these little crystal balls. So let's dive into it. So do not tear your box like this if you have any issues whatsoever. Packaging's not bad. Probably weighs about 25 pounds. This is the back of it. Man, this thing is compact. That's the front. Wow, this is crazy. So right out the gate, it's the industry grade steel. It's compact, it's small. So it's about a foot by 17 by 18. So small. It comes with a draining hose and a TDS testing of your purification of water. Let's open this up. So that's as far as it goes down. Okay. All right. Probably want to wash this. Looks kind of not the cleanest. They give you a little pair of tongs so you can grab the ice. This probably fits down in the bottom here. Perfect. Like that. Just showing you what all you get. You do get a manual. And here's your TBD tester to test your water. You just stick it down in the water. It'll tell you if it's good or bad. They put smiley face thing in here. Probably hang like that. Was it magnetic? Oh, it's a sticker. So we've got, you can do water in, water out. You can also do this off grid where you put the water, I believe it's in this tray right here. Yeah, I think you pour the water in there. And I'll double check that, make sure. And this will hold up to 56 spheres, is what they're calling them, the little crystal balls. I think it does 144 spheres in a day's time. Like if you kept changing these out. It would be crazy if you drank that much. So they're gonna give you one of these right here, and you'll just slide it down inside here. Boom, now that can't come out. It's stuck there. And it actually says drain, and you can actually put water in from here, or you can pour it in that tray in the back, not in this, but actually in the tray in the bottom. And we're gonna do that because we're gonna run this off grid. And then I'm just gonna put this hose, there we go. Shouldn't be much. And then I'm just gonna put this in a bucket. Put this and let it drain down in there. And this is just, once the ice is made and they start to sweat, it'll drain here. So it's not something you have to do immediately, but just knock it out. So next thing is, they got some field lines in there. Oh yeah, it says max on there. I don't know if you can see that, but it says max right there. So it's got a line. So that's where we're gonna pour the water. Taking it to the max. All right, that's the top of the line right there. All right, let's test this water. I've been in the food industry for a while. That when they test the water, it has to be 200 parts per million or below. So if you get 200 parts out of this, you don't need to be drinking that water. So push the on button. All right, and then it's got a hold button right there. Can you see that? Let me get out of the light. It's hold right there. So I'm just gonna hold it and put it down on here. I'm not sure how long you have to hold it. Okay, so this thing says 23 parts per million, so it's absolutely fine. Dude, this is good for testing wells and stuff too, this little thing. So we need to turn the power on. All right. Can you hear that? So what it's doing is sucking the ice water up into the refrigerator. Make sure it's not leaking nowhere. I like that this could be set on your outdoor, on like a patio or something like that, that this could be kind of off grid. It doesn't have to have water hooked up to it or any kind of special plumbing. That can be expensive, having to pull it out from your sink, drill it through something. when you can just pour it inside there. Pouring that, filling it up to the max, I think gives you 59 spheres of these crystal clear balls, which is crazy. So I think that's so cool. So she's going hard in the paint right now. Now this is going to take about 38 minutes to make some ice. So we'll be back. So what I was just reading, because it keeps cycling back and forth. So I was like, let me read the manual. What it's doing is cleaning the water. It's running through a purifier, that's insane. It's awesome. Let me see. All right, compressor just came on. That right there now is making ice. So I didn't have that before. So when you push this, hold it down, we'll turn it on. Push this button here, which is like a water drop, actually purifies the water. It runs through a purifier. And then you can test it again, but I mean, our water was pure. Then tap this. The fan is actually kicking on from the side over here. So now it's making ice. But yeah, so far we're learning. I think it's neat. We'll be right back. Do you want to see something cool? It's only running 134 watts, which is not a lot. So it could run it for 5 hours. But right now it's just pulling so much. And that's probably a lot of the fan, the little compressor. But once that starts making ice, all that will stop. But yeah, it's neat seeing how much power you use. All right, let's take a look at it. I just seen that right there. Looks like it's out of water, but I don't think it's a big deal. I'm gonna open it up. So it's showing that it's open. How's it feel in there? It's cold. And it's blue. How neat is that? All right. Yeah, it's just making noises. Anyway, I think that's cool. Let's just keep it going. It's only been, I don't know, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So it dropped its first load. So I don't see it filling up in 40 minutes, but we'll see. We'll be back. All right. So it's been about an hour, 50 minutes. And I think that's all the ice we're gonna get. We got not Safiri. This one looks great. This one, they all look kind of cool. So this will definitely change a game. So I've got a, not really super cool in here either. I wonder if that melts. I got a friend of mine owns a cigar lounge down in Camden, South Carolina. I gave him a call. He's not gonna be there, but he is a bourbon and whiskey place. They're really known for their whiskeys. They have some high end. He's got some shots that are like $400. I like going there just to just unwind. I think I want to give that to him. I think he would enjoy something like this. It's completely, looks like safe for restaurant use anyway. So it's not super much of a restaurant, more of a cigar and whiskey and bourbon lounge. But let's go over there. Let's check it out. Let's go check out the cigar lounge and give this to him. I think it would be kind of cool. So got it right here. We're going to go drop it off at the cigar lounge. They're gonna love it. It'll be perfect for them. I'm gonna go pick up my cameraman, get my daughter, and get some dinner as well. So we'll knock out all this and we'll go to the cigar lounge together. She'll be my camera girl. Let's go. All right, we're here at the Silver Leaf. We're gonna drop this thing off. Not super heavy. All right, let's go. If it has the ice still in it. Hey, look at this.
Hell yeah!
Isn't that cool?
I love that.
This is they're all melted now, but so what you do is we're gonna take this out. And you see it says, see that max line? Go ahead and pour water up to that max line. Go. It'll be all of it. Pour it all over. Good, perfect. All right, so that's full.
Hold the button.
Yeah.
This hold.
Hold it and then push it down. Put it all the way in the water. And then pull it out. What does it say? 80. So if that's perfect. It's drinkable water.
Perfect. I hope so.
Yeah, but if it's over 200 parts per million, it's no good.
Okay.
It's bad. That's awesome. But
Oh, I can't wait.
So cool. Thank you.
Thanks, Barry.
You're welcome. Appreciate
Have
y'all.
a good night.
You made it happy, huh?
I think you did. You done
If
with
you want
this?
one of these, I'll put it in the description below.
The next day.
All right, I am back at the cigar lounge where we dropped off that ice maker. Remember those people? The Silverleaf. Just to follow up and just see what they like it, what they thought of it. Oh, it's dark in here. Hold on. All right, come on, let's take a look. Can you pull out one of those round ones?
Yeah.
Isn't that beautiful? What does customers think about them?
They like them. They are not as big as the cubes that we were using, so I can smoke more of a glass when I do smoked old fashions and
Nice.
New York sours and stuff.
How cool is that?
Yeah.
Do you mind if I have a sour?
Absolutely. You want an amaretto sour, don't you?
Correct, yes.
Yeah.
Getting a drink with the new stuff.
Go grab you a large ice cube. Let's get this one we had out earlier.
Nice. Perfect. Thank you, Dallas. That drink was delicious.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. We'll see you later, Barry. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. I appreciate y'all. What a great place. I absolutely love this place. But man, that actually, I think in 4 hours it does all day. I think 12 hours it does up to 144 ice cubes. Now they're still pouring the water to the bottom. They're actually going to hardwire that, so you can actually run a water line to the back and it will constantly make ice cubes. But right now they're just putting water on the bottom, which could be off grid, which is crazy. But anyway, Silverleaf, thank you so much for having me here, and what a great ice machine. If you'd like one, I'll put it in the description below. And if you like videos like this, hit the notification bell, hit the thumbs up. And guys, I'll see you next time. Appreciate y'all. I can't do this without you. Appreciate y'all. Thanks, guys.